uh, black pepper, I think 2 tablespoons. Okay, and white pepper, grinded white pepper would be 2 spoons. Okay, now this one. Okay, so now I need a spoon for this. So this spoon is okay. I think this is okay. Understand? You also have to use this spoon. Just look. I think so. Just add it. One is okay, and soya sauce would be one okay. Okay. Soya sauce and vinegar must be in equal quantity. Okay. Now I'm going to mix it. Understand? And just marinate for the vegetable in one bowl. Salt also required. 1 spoon of salt is in this. Look. Now this is the spices of just entering the vegetables quickly. Okay, to marinate for 5 minutes. I put all the vegetables in one bowl in which I put the spices. Okay, now I will rest it over there for a while. And now I will start the preparation for the manchurian. Okay, I'm going to bring, this is the vegetable for manchurian. Now I am going to add vinegar, 1 spoon. This is soya sauce. 1 spoon should be of soya sauce. Okay. Now ketchup would be double. 2 spoons of the ketchup would be. That's the mother sauce of the recipe of manchurian. Look. Okay, 1 spoon. The other one is okay. 2 spoons. Now, red chili flakes. This is the red chili flakes I'm using. I don't use any sauce. Red chili sauce I don't want to use. Now salt. Okay. White pepper. White pepper, 1/4 spoon. Black pepper, 1/4 spoon. With okay, corn flour would be different. Okay, now red pepper. All the spices I entered in that. I entered salt. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the vegetable, and now I'm going to mix it. Mix the sauce. How I'm going to add it pizza sauce as well. Just I'm bringing the chicken from the fridge. Okay. This is the chicken. This is boneless. Okay. I'm putting in this. This is the sauce is ready. Now this is the whipped dressing. Okay, understand how I'm cutting. Now it's okay. Now I'm putting it here. Now chicken is there. This is oil. This is oil. Look, this is oil, and I will put chicken in the oil to fry it. First of all, this one lesson. Look, okay. After that, chicken would be entered. Okay. Now I will stain the rice. My rice are half boiled. Okay. Stain and wash. Okay. I am staining the chicken rice. And now this is okay. Now I will put this here. Look, rice are there. I'm just washing it. Okay. Look, I washed the rice. Just put it there for one while. Now in the meanwhile, I'm just putting the oil in the casserole. Oil is hot. I'm going to start the rice here. Okay, this is oil. I'm going to put eggs in the oil. Look, and this is the mixed vegetable. After putting the egg, I put egg in the rice, in the oil. Look, just look. When eggs will be ready, then I will put this. In this, all the vegetable and spices are there. Just try to. And in the meanwhile, look, this is the lesson is. Look, this is lesson. It's nearly to brown, and then I will put this one chicken in the oil. Okay, when it is bit brown. In the meanwhile, just remember that when you will put the eggs, bit salt should be added in the eggs. Okay, now eggs are fried. Look viewers, eggs are being fried. Okay, eggs are fried. Now this is the all the vegetables along with the spices. Just fry it with going to enter chicken for the frying. This is manchurian and this is egg fried rice. Okay, so this is the paste for the manchurian. These are the vegetables. Now I will when chicken will fry, definitely we will put all the vegetables here and then we will put this paste. Okay, and today this is the look, it required 1 or 2 more minutes to get fried. Okay, this is manchurian. Look, I'm just managing the manchurian. Okay, look, just I will fry in the oil like that. Then it will change the color. Understand? This is the easiest way. Just it will change the color. In your mind that my chicken was freeze, my boneless chicken was freeze. So I just use the water to make it separate. To make under the hot water, just manage it. And now it's in such a look shape. It's a bit red and bit white. It will take more 1-2 minutes. And now please come towards here. It's being fried. I'm going to put rice in that. Look. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Look. Long green rice. This is the best recipe. Look. Wow. What a nice and beautiful color. Just need to mix it properly. Okay. Actually, it's Chinese. Always use kainat steamed rice. I am also using kainat steamed rice. Okay. So the consistency of that rice is very beautiful, and that will be a long grain rice. Okay. Look, I mix the rice here. Now I'm going to just give the lid to the casserole for 5 minutes, just, and then I will dish out and I will take in front of you. And in the meanwhile, we are just enjoying this one. Tasty. I'm going to take out. Yeah. Now I'm frying the chicken for the manchurian. Look, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I'm adding in the water to make the gravy. It should be mixed very properly, so the consistency of the pottage would be very beautiful. The consistency of the manchurian will be very nice. We are using. Okay. Now there is no lumps at all. It's up to you. You want the thick consistency of manchurian or the light consistency. I mean that more gravy or bit gravy. It's up to your taste. Wow, with a tasty chicken. When it will be fried, and then I will just add my stuff. Now we will also use sugar along with these corn flour, and this is the ketchup and red chili flakes sauce. Okay. Now my chicken is being fried. Manchurian's chicken is being ready. It's golden brown now. Okay. Now I will put the vegetables and then sauces. Look. Now I'm going to put these sugar. Okay. This is just a minute, and then this is the sauce which we made now, Manchurian sauce. Now I'm going to mix it, and then soya sauce will be added. Wow, being ready, I am going to finalize my Manchurian by adding the corn flour. Okay, I made the corn flour paste. Look, what a beautiful and look colors of my Manchurian, and taste is also always prefer easiest and professional way of cooking. That is very tasty, and my method is quite professional. Okay, and look, what a nice color of chicken vegetable sauce. Very tasty. And now I am gonna add with corn flour sauce, and this is very easiest way of cooking Manchurian. Okay, before putting this stuff corn flour, before putting the corn flour, you have to mix it properly. Okay, so there would be no lumps. You have to use ladle, so it won't be. Manchurian is going to be ready. Look, I will taste it. Okay, and also share with you. Look, nice and tasty rice finished. Oh, it's 5 minutes is over now. I'm going to close this. I have closed the stove. Look, What a tasty, tasty rice. What a nice mouth watering. Look. Okay. Long grain rice is ready. Look, long grain rice is ready. Oh, long grain rice is ready. So nice and tasty, tasty. Manchurian is also ready. Okay. Now corn flour is going to change the color. It's seeming to be a bit thick. Okay, so I'm going to enter a bit more water. Wow. My sauce is going to ready. Just have to look. But a nice and tasty, tasty Manchurian is going to be ready. Now, you have to tell me that I'm going to taste my Manchurian from you. So you would also feel, wow, what a nice, beautiful. Did anyone make such nice recipes? No. Look, it's completely mixed. There is nothing in the gravy, no lumps at all. Okay, understand? Look, there is no lumps of the corn flour. Just it needs 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, in low flame, 2 to 3 minutes. Very delicious. Okay, now